Coming up, a scary morning for a Lincoln County neighborhood. We have the details of a car burglary that led to an attempted murder charge.
And should marijuana be legalized in South Dakota? We bring you the arguments from both sides. Good morning, this is Kelly Land on the Go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
There were some tense moments yesterday in Lincoln County after an alleged burglar tried breaking into someone's car. When the homeowner tried stopping him, the man allegedly fired shots at him and then took off running.
But law enforcement were able to spot the suspect hiding in a slough thanks to the use of 2 drones, one from Lincoln County and the other from Minnehaha County.
This is a great team effort. This is just another example of how we all departments come together for the greater good of our community, and we have a great outcome. I couldn't be happier with taking this guy into custody because he was definitely a dangerous person.
Suspect Colton Nichols was out on parole and is now facing a long list of charges, including attempted first-degree murder and commission of a felony while armed. Nichols will appear in court this morning.
We have an update on a shooting we first told you about last night at 6. One person has life-threatening injuries following an incident in southeastern Sioux Falls. Police were called to the home Wednesday afternoon for a burglary and shooting. Once there, one adult and a child were taken from the home unharmed. Another adult was taken to the hospital with a gunshot wound. That's all the information police have told us at this time. More details are expected to be released today. A 30-year-old Sioux Falls woman is waking up behind bars this morning for reportedly stabbing her boyfriend 7 times. Police say the incident happened in an apartment near the intersection of 16th Street and Sycamore Avenue Tuesday night. Authorities say as they were talking with the woman in the apartment, they noticed a lot of blood along with a knife.
Eventually, paramedics came, checked her out. She didn't have any injuries that would explain that amount of blood, and then she kind of kept saying that she didn't want anything done, not to worry about it, that type of thing. While officers were at the apartment, a 32-year-old man showed up at the hospital with multiple stab wounds.
Police arrested Melissa Decora on a charge of aggravated assault domestic. No word on the victim's condition.
Turning to weather now, parts of Kellyland saw snow to start the week.
But is there more snow on the way? Let's find out with meteorologist Scott Munt.
Well, the snow continues this morning, north central and northeastern South Dakota. We've already seen around 5 inches of snowfall in and around Mobridge this morning. Maybe a little bit heavier as you do extend over into Brown County and around the Aberdeen area, where it continues to snow heavy at times. Let's go ahead and show you the outline then for today. We're also following this wintry mix in southeastern Kettleland, where we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for parts of southeastern South Dakota and Iowa, parts of Minnesota. And after this one rolls through, another hit of snow for the weekend. And then after that, we're looking at record cold. We'll have more details on the Kettleland Live Doppler forecast coming up.
Thanks, Scott. 3 more South Dakotans have died due to COVID-19 as the number of hospitalizations and active cases continues to increase. The death toll now sits at 333. Just in October, there have been 110 deaths, making it the deadliest month of the pandemic.
Wednesday morning, the health department confirmed 582 more coronavirus cases, bringing the total to more than 35,000. The number of active cases increased to nearly 8,700.
The number of people in the hospital also increased to 332. According to the state, 337 more patients are no longer contagious with the virus. New numbers are expected later this morning.
The South Dakota Department of Health has added a new COVID-19 resource on their website. The COVID age risk calculator allows people to calculate any risks that could potentially impact them if they were to get COVID-19.
Those risks include underlying conditions such as lung disease and kidney disease. Factors like your body mass index, blood pressure, and the amount you smoke in a day could also increase your COVID age.
The reason we're putting this out is because we want people to understand that there are some modifiable risk factors to health that do play a role in overall health status and wellness, as well as contribute to poorer health outcomes if you do get COVID.
You can find a link to the calculator under this story on KELLELAND.com. South Dakota voters will decide 2 ballot measures dealing with legalizing marijuana when they go to the polls. Amendment A would legalize recreational marijuana and impose a 15% tax on sales.
Supporters say it will generate millions of dollars for education, while opponents say legalization comes with heavy social costs.
Passage of Amendment A will generate $60 million by 2024, and that amount will conservatively add up to more than $250 million in 10 years. That's a huge amount of money in a small population state.
A number of states have grotesquely overestimated the amount of revenue. So my caution is don't spend it till you get it.
Also on the ballot, initiated Measure 26, which would legalize medical marijuana in South Dakota.
You can learn more about both measures on our KELOLAND News special report, Marijuana on the Ballot. It airs Friday night at 6:30 right here on KOTG. You can also watch on KELOLAND.com and our KELOLAND News app. We also want to help you get to know the candidates before you cast your ballot. South Dakotans will be voting for a U.S. representative. Libertarian candidate Randy Llewellyn is challenging incumbent Dusty Johnson for the state's only seat in the U.S. House.
Voters will also select a candidate to represent South Dakota in the U.S. Senate. Democrat Dan Allers is challenging incumbent Mike Rounds. If you have questions for any of the candidates, we'd like to hear them. All you need to do is send an email to candidatequestions@keloland.com.
And that's a look at some of our top stories.
Now let's get one last look at your weather with meteorologist Brian Karstens.
All right, we've got a lot of winter weather today. Heavy snow in the north. Mobridge, Aberdeen, Sisseton, 4 to 10 inches. Very likely. Then we transition a little bit to the south. We've got advisories today, snow accumulations in Pierre, probably a little closer to that 4-inch mark. And then also extending toward Huron, we've got some snow accumulations, but it gets tricky in the east, especially south into Brookings, Sioux Falls, and southwest Minnesota, where we've had a freezing rain, freezing drizzle combo. Of course, we're monitoring temperatures closely. A degree or two makes a big difference. Rain mainly south of Interstate 90. And of course, we've had embedded thunderstorm tracks in northwest Iowa and southwest Minnesota. There's your hourly forecast by 11. Looking at snow pretty ramped up there from Phillip to Pierre to Aberdeen. Looks like Mitchell area may even have some lighter showers as we watch the numbers just above freezing. And then we'll end the day with a north wind moving into Sioux Falls, and eventually maybe some very light snow could brush us here with the ending amounts of moisture. Then I think we'll get a break day on Friday before yet again another system for the weekend, and that one could easily produce more accumulations. Easy to get 4 to 8 in Aberdeen. We're already there in some of these counties in the north, so continue to watch for updates on that. 35 today, Sioux Falls, 32 with that wind and blowing snow in Aberdeen. 32 Mobridge. No travel advisories have been issued for some of our counties in the north, and that's around Mobridge, so be careful there. And that system for the weekend looks like it's going to produce snow in Sioux Falls. 70% chance of that on Sunday. Pretty cold. We'll see if we get record-breaking lows for some of us early next week. We've got a 3-degree low Tuesday morning in Aberdeen. We've got a little time to sort that out, but even 4 on Saturday morning. That is cold. Pierre, too, a chilly start to the weekend. Snow, pretty likely. I would say right now it's going to be a widespread system into the Black Hills as well, starting a little earlier on Saturday. More coverage with this forecast online at KELOLAND.com. Have yourself a great Thursday.